right, let's go ahead and do some more with our hands on the footbar. So we can get rid of our short box, and we're going to bring the footbar all the way up top. And for this one, we're going to do long stretch. So headrest is to the top. And how many springs do you like? 1.5. So this can be 1, 1.5, or 2, whatever you like. We're going to hop on and then tuck our toes under and go into one long line. You're going to try and press your body so heels, hips, shoulders, and head are in one long line. And we're going to go ahead, inhale to press back, and then exhale, dive it forward. 1. Inhale, reach it back, gorgeous, and dive it forward. 2. And press it back, feel the shoulder blades wrap. 3. Inhale, dip it back. And 4. Let's do 8 today. Inhale, reach back. Exhale, hollow the abs more. 5. Inhale, reach back. Exhale, 6. Inhale, reach it back. Exhale, 7. One more time. Inhale, reach it back. And 8. All right. We're going to go ahead. You can lower down. We're going to move into kind of an upstretch hybrid. So you're going to tuck your toes under at the shoulder rests, and then you're going to go up into a pike position. So your hips are back over your heels and your arms are straight. What you're going to do it with me, is you're going to press the carriage back and then bring your shoulders over your hands simultaneously. And then go back to a pike, bring that carriage in towards the stopper and shift your weight back over your heels. So body moves forward in space as the legs move back in space, and then body moves back in space as the legs move forward in space. Good. And again, press it out, one long line. Plank, and reach it back. Pike. Neutral pelvis, 2 more times. Reach it forward. Plank. Reach it back. Pike, neutral spine. 1 more time. Plank. And pike. All right, do we need a break or can we go into flamenco? All right, you're going to pick up one leg and bend your other leg in. Awesome. Point the toe, knees are squeezing, and you're going to press the carriage back as you inhale, and then bring it back in as you exhale. 5. So now we're just getting used to working on one leg at a time in this position. 4. 3. Trying to stay in neutral, shoulders are wide. 2. Head is reaching out and away. Last time. 1. Good. Bring that right leg down, and the other leg is going to come up. Our arms should be nice and excited by now. Reach it back. Inhale and exhale. 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Good. Go ahead, put that foot down. Down onto your knees. We're going to go right into knee stretches. So lower down. We're going to do round back first, and we'll be up to tempo. So we've been going slower in the beginning levels. Now we're going to emphasize in. All right. So reach your pelvis down towards your heels a bit, and your whole spine is rounded, and we're going to keep as much as possible our pelvis still in space. Drop this down a little bit more. Good. Now keep your butt squeezing forward. Press the carriage back. Inhale and then pull it in. Exhale. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a in and a 7 and a 8. 2 more. 9, that was so easy. 10, you should be feeling your quads. Stick your tail out and go to neutral, and let's reach our head and look out and away. Nice, and press it back. Squeeze it and pull it in. A 1 and a 2 and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8, and a 9, and 10. Very good. Woohoo! How was that? Delicious. All right. Are you up for some star on your knees? Can we do 8 each side? Okay. 5 each side. That was the look of. And would you like 1.5? She's changing. She's decided let's just do 1.25. Okay. So you can do 1, 1.5, 1.25, whatever you like. You're going to bring your legs together, and then your hand will be a little bit more in front, and you're kind of tilted sideways on your knees. All right, here we go. And you're going to start with the carriage in, and then you're going to press out and reach your arms away from each other, and then come back in and feel that underneath side scoop you in. 5. Let's go. Press out, inhale, and then exhale. Pull yourself in. 4. Inhale, press out. Pull yourself in. 3. Inhale, press out. Pull it in. 2. Last time. Inhale, press out. And gorgeous. Go ahead, lower down. Let's do a little mermaid stretch. So just keep your knees there. You can grab on and then just give yourself a little tug. That way you can rest that out. That was beautiful. I'm sure that felt fabulous. And now we're going to flip on over to the other side. So again, your knees are close to your shoulder rests. You're trying to be in one long line. Both sets of ribs are connected. Reach the left arm down. And here we go. Press out. And then draw yourself on in. And press out. And draw yourself on in. And again, this is 3. And draw yourself on in. And again, 4. And draw yourself on in. Last time. 5. And draw yourself in. Good job. Lower down. Grab your shoulder rest and just stretch. Excellent.